Good morning, students. Welcome back art and craft class. Today we have to do a craft work shapes. Okay, craft work shapes by use of foam sheet, glitters foam sheet. You have to buy one glitters foam sheet. Okay, then you have to do a craft work. What are the materials are required? Okay, materials required. First you have to buy one glitters foam sheet. Okay, this is A4 size foam sheet. Okay, glitters foam sheet. I have cut it like this, glitters foam sheet. Then we need pencil and eraser and scissor. Okay, students, pencil, eraser and scissor. Scissor you have to use very carefully. Okay, for cutting practice only we have to do this craft work. Okay, students, first you have to draw a circle. Okay, first you have to draw a circle. Draw one circle and triangle. To draw triangle. If you have having scale means you have to use scale. Okay, then square you have to 4 centimeter, here 4 centimeter, here 4 centimeter, here 4 centimeter. Okay, then rectangle, six centimeter from here to here, 6 centimeter, 1 2 3 4 5 6 centimeter. Okay, here 4 centimeter, here 4 centimeter, here same 6 centimeter. Here 4 centimeter. This is rectangle. Okay, here 6 centimeter, this one 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, this one 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, this length 4 centimeter, this length 4 centimeter. Okay, then you have to draw a circle and rectangle. Now you have to take scissor and cut it like this slowly. Okay, for scissor practice, how to use scissor for this craft work I will give. Okay, you have to hold it like this and take a scissor, small scissor. Okay, you have to take a small scissor. Under your parents' control you have to do this craft work. Okay, students, உங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸு உங்கள் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கும்போது இந்த கிராஃப்ட் ஒர்க்கை நீங்கள் செய்யுங்க. ஓகே, சிசர்ஸு எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணணுங்கிறத நீங்கள் பேரண்ட்ஸ் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கும்போது பேரண்ட்ஸோட கைடன்ஸ் படி நீங்கள் யூ ஹவ் டு டூ. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஸ்லோலி யூ ஹவ் டு கட் த மார்க்டு ஏரியா. First you have to cut it like this. take circle. Now you have to cut it slowly, mark the area. Okay, don't do alone. Okay, you have to do with your parents. You have to cut it like this. Okay, circle. Okay, this is a circle. We got circle. Okay, then square. You have to cut it square. Okay, you have cut it square. Okay, you have cut it square. Circle, square, then rectangle. You have to cut it very slowly. Okay, okay students, this one rectangle. Then one more triangle. Okay, this one triangle. Okay students, this 4 you have to cut it slowly by scissor. Then you have to take one A4 size paper, white paper. You have to stick it. You have to stick it and take a photocopy. Send it via Google Classroom to me. Okay students, then only I go put the present. Okay, first you have to buy a foam sheet and you have to back side you have to draw the round shape, circle and square, rectangle, triangle. Okay, then you have to take scissor and slowly you have to cut it and stick it A4 size paper, 4 shapes. Okay, then take a photocopy and send it via Google Classroom to me. Okay students, thank you students.